Why are you late? Why are you late?
I am late because I missed the bus. I am late because I missed the bus.
Why did you buy a new phone? Why did you buy a new phone?
I bought a new phone because my old one broke. I bought a new phone because my old one broke.
Why do you look tired? Why do you look tired?
I look tired because I didn't sleep well. I look tired because I didn't sleep well.
Why can't you come to the party? Why can't you come to the party?
I can't come to the party because I have to work. I can't come to the party because I have to work.
Why are you happy today? Why are you happy today?
I am happy today because I got good news. I am happy today because I got good news.
Why did you take an umbrella? Why did you take an umbrella?
I took an umbrella because it might rain. I took an umbrella because it might rain.
Why are the streets wet? Why are the streets wet?
The streets are wet because it rained earlier. The streets are wet because it rained earlier.
Why do you like this restaurant? Why do you like this restaurant?
I like this restaurant because the food is delicious. I like this restaurant because the food is delicious.
Why can't you hear me? Why can't you hear me?
I can't hear you because the music is too loud. I can't hear you because the music is too loud.
Why do you need a jacket? Why do you need a jacket?
I need a jacket because it's cold outside. I need a jacket because it's cold outside.
Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English?
I am studying English because I want to travel abroad. I am studying English because I want to travel abroad.
Why did you call me? Why did you call me?
I called you because I need your help. I called you because I need your help.
Why do you drink coffee in the morning? Why do you drink coffee in the morning?
I drink coffee in the morning because it helps me wake up. I drink coffee in the morning because it helps me wake up.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I remembered something funny. I am smiling because I remembered something funny.
Why did you go to the doctor? Why did you go to the doctor?
I went to the doctor because I had a fever. I went to the doctor because I had a fever.
Why can't you sleep? Why can't you sleep?
I can't sleep because I'm worried about tomorrow. I can't sleep because I'm worried about tomorrow.
Why do you take the train? Why do you take the train?
I take the train because it's faster than the bus. I take the train because it's faster than the bus.
Why did you choose this movie? Why did you choose this movie?
I chose this movie because my friend recommended it. I chose this movie because my friend recommended it.
Why do you always wear that hat? Why do you always wear that hat?
I always wear this hat because it was a gift from my grandmother. I always wear this hat because it was a gift from my grandmother.
Why are the lights off? Why are the lights off?
The lights are off because I'm saving energy. The lights are off because I'm saving energy.
Why do you exercise daily? Why do you exercise daily?
I exercise daily because it keeps me healthy. I exercise daily because it keeps me healthy.
Why is your bag so heavy? Why is your bag so heavy?
My bag is heavy because I have books inside. My bag is heavy because I have books inside.
Why did you cry? Why did you cry?
I cried because the movie was sad. I cried because the movie was sad.
Why are you learning to cook? Why are you learning to cook?
I'm learning to cook because I love food. I'm learning to cook because I love food.
Why is the dog barking? Why is the dog barking?
The dog is barking because someone is at the door. The dog is barking because someone is at the door.
Why did you wake up early? Why did you wake up early?
I woke up early because I have an appointment. I woke up early because I have an appointment.
Why is the traffic bad? Why is the traffic bad?
Traffic is bad because it's rush hour. Traffic is bad because it's rush hour.
Why are you wearing sunglasses? Why are you wearing sunglasses?
I'm wearing sunglasses because it's sunny. I'm wearing sunglasses because it's sunny.
Why did you move here? Why did you move here?
I moved here because I got a new job. I moved here because I got a new job.